Dr. Kwak Kwak. Blood? Doktor.
Maglinis pare. Please na ulo dito ay maglinis.
Spray mo pa.
Sinabon ni. Why did you not use soap? There, soap?
No, para, there's too much pen.
Only water. Come, okay, let's go. Only this. You need to clean
No,
that,
okay,
pare.
para, this, you put the...
No, pare. The dirt become going
Go inside.
Let's go.
Let's make. Yung hugasan ko nga yung kamay, ayaw eh. Ako na sana maghugas.
Bulak. Tutok sa inyo.
Only here first. Yeah, okay. After a while, it will good. It will feel good.
It's okay.
Finish, pare. Oh, finish. No, pare.
Oh, this very.
Eh,
This will be clean, pare. Maybe you will be infected. You go to jail after.
Finish, pare.
Okay, don't touch anything. I will give you.
wait, no touch.
I will give you a clean.
No touch anything.
Saan yung ano?
Yung gloves, kundi nyo yung gloves.
No,
Ay, di na.
Eh!
dirty.
No.
See, now clean.
Ay, tapon mo.
Bulak na lang.
Tapon mo na yan. Dito patungan lang.
You put gloves?
No.
No, just lean on the.
Ang tangas. No thinking. Palit ah. Sometimes not working.
Diba? Okay.
Mark na yan, ha?
Yan, tsaka may spray ulit yan. Mamagayan. Spray ulit tapos balot.
Kasi wala pa. Arte mo ah.
Ipan. Like this, bro. Pare, for your good.
Huwag na, maho.
Finish. Pate.
Eh, sa ano, sa ibabaw, boy. Sa ilalim pa.
Oh, that's one big. You drive only forklift now, ah. Don't do anything.
Don't palit
No,
ah.
finish.
Wala naman po. Papalita sana kami pagtingin ko to wala. No palit.
Also finish, 90 paret, 90.
Ito
You finish now?
Yes.
Very quick.
Yeah.
Oh. Ayop ka.
Gasa-gasa.
Ano mo, you're not thinking ha. You just get the...
Ang matating na sa'yo.
Pare.
Relax. Sunugin mo yan. Marami.
Paka mga anak. Sa pang-spray yan. Lumutang yung ano oh. One more.
No.
No, one more.
This one.
Relax pa eh. I will call 911.
Uy!
You want?
No
Sa Amerika
problem.
yun ah. Tawag sa Amerika.
Ito. Put your finger here.
Uy!
No, this for cutting.
Akala ko.
Okay, next time you joke, huh?
No.
Dapat may betadine tayo.
Yun na,
Ayan eh. Ayan eh.
Pare.
Betadine niya, kuya.
No, okay. Pare.
Pag-linis na yun.
Pantuyo yun, pantuyo na.
Yeah.
Cut mo.
Pabilog.
Dikit. Okay. Hindi yan. Kawawa.
Tight? Nee.
You tight. Tight, good.
No. Only little.
Tight, pare. Yeah. Okay.
Ano ba? This one.
Huwag na, yan. Don't.
Kikinig
Just
ka pa eh.
relax.
Why you?
Paano yung just relax yung movie na?
Puro tangos kasi ng ilong.
Ulit mo Timaro, ha?
Left hand.
Avoid mo Timaro, okay?
Pare, do that.
Para you see too much pain, too much joking, huh?
Mm.
I see you was not fun next time. Huh?
No, one more.
Other side.
Sa ilalim.
Pwede, no?
Kasi sa ilalim. Ay, ano ba yun?
Dalawa yan, isa sa...
Where's the other one? The big one.
Yun nga, yun sa yan, oh, dito.
Finish.
Andito, andito yung malaki.
Napailaliman.
Oo.
Di ba di?
No. We need to cover that.
Oh,
Gata. Panggaganti ng aso.
Veterinary. Doktor ano? Veterinary ito eh.
Veterinary. Nasigasaan ng aso.
Sagasang aso eh, ginagamot oh.
Nasigasaan. Lalam yung aso mo na, si Bruno. Spray pa kayo natin.
Babango naman si Bruno dyan. Hindi na.
Para natin safety.
Pare, after you remove this,
Padala mo na yan niya.
put water.
water.
Yeah.
Padala mo na yan niya oh.
You put water, ha?
Kasi madikit yan eh.
You see, a little hot
Meron na
water.
doon sa ating.
Meron?
Meron doon. Sa accommodation.
See, like this.
Kalas! Hmm? Oh! Pupuno! Papatayin.
This. Like this.
Kakainin yan ha, tatapon yan.
Don't eat. Galing kasi. Nag-iisip. Nagulat ako kanina, tinila eh. Gawin na tayo. Okay, parit ha.
Thanks, Papa Rolly. Okay, thanks.
Oo, kaya na kami dyan.
Kaya ka lang dyan eh. Pare. I love you. You crazy, you're not thinking Put your arms. Okay, I stop.